I'm Roxanne Carne, personal stylist for women, and I'm gonna share with you a really cool style hack on how to get a wrinkle-free garment with no time at all. So we all have those moments when we're getting ready to go out. Perhaps you got invited somewhere at the last minute, or you haven't decided what you wanted to wear and you finally get your look together and you realize, gosh, this outfit or this top or these pants, whatever it is, it's full of wrinkles. What do? I don't have time to use my full steamer. I don't have time to heat up even my small travel steamer, but I need to get out the door. All you have to do is just put the garment on and then just get a small spray bottle, fill it with water. Tap water is just fine. And all you need to do once you have it on your body is just, let's just pretend this shirt is on me. You just gently mist the garment. And it's important now, while you're wearing it, you're gonna just pull it a little bit taut at the bottom and just take your hand, make sure your hand does not have any makeup or anything on it, and then just gently smooth it out with your hand. And the heat, not only from the palm of your hand, but more importantly, from your body, will help relax the wrinkles. Now, it'll probably take about 10 or so minutes for them to fully relax, but after that, you're pretty much done. And this is really helpful. I know when I travel, sometimes I don't even have room to take my travel steamer with me. I'll just bring an empty bottle and just fill it with water, put the outfit on, spray myself, kind of pull it down, and I'm out the door and done. So hopefully this style hack is helpful to you. And if you have other interesting style hacks that you'd like to share, please drop them in the comments section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and here's to sensible style.